Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to see about SQL query transformation in a AWS Glue. It's very powerful and the useful transformation. So suppose you have a requirement where your source is a table. I have a source which is a table. Now based on that you want to write a any kind of the SQL query and you want to do a transformation. For taking example, suppose I have a multiple table. This all the table I want to do a join and I want to do a filter. So I can simply write one SQL query and I can do my task. So if you want to write any kind of the SQL query, for that we use a SQL query transformation. So let's do a practical and let's try to see how actually we can do this. So I open my AWS account. I have one of the bucket that is a order data bucket. Here you can see I have a order files. The different order files are there, right? Now what I will do, I'll go to the Glue. I will open a AWS Glue. First thing is like we should have a table, right? So as of now what actually we'll do, we'll create a crawler and based on that we will create a tables. So I will come here, I'll go to the crawler and here I will create one crawler. I will give the name as a table something. Let's give the random name table, or you can give order new order new some crawler I am giving. Click on the next. Data source configuration not yet. Data source, add a data source S3, particular path we have to pass. So my data is available into this particular bucket, right? This order, I will select this. After that, crawl all subfolder, we will do add S3 data source. Click on the next. Existing IAM role or create a new IAM role. So if you already have any IAM role, we can use that. So we have used this bookmark role, right? We will use this one. If you or you can create a new IAM role. Both will work. Click on the next. If you want to create any database, so let me create any database. So I will give the database name as a, let me give the name as a dev database. Click on the create database. I'll come here, I'll refresh it. I'll just select a dev database. Table name, if you want to give any table name prefix, or crawler on demand. Click on the next. Click on the create crawler. What will happen? One crawler will be created. This crawler, when I will run, right, one table should be created. Click on the run crawler. You can see crawler is started. If you want to see, right, click here, refresh this. So this crawler is order new, this crawler is running. Once it will complete, right, one table should be created here. So that table actually we will use in a AWS Glue job, and on top of that we will write a SQL query to perform some transformation. First let it complete, let one table should be created into this table. Now you can see order new, it is ready, it is successful. Go to the table, click on the refresh. You can see order database is dev, this one we have created, right? This one got created. So database name is a dev and the table name is order. So one table we have. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the AWS Glue, we'll create a ETL jobs. We are going to create a one pipeline and there we will see how to use a SQL transformation. Go to the visual ETL. What is our source? Amazon S3, right? Select this, Amazon S3. And here previously we were selecting S3 location, right? Now we will select a data catalog table. What is our DB name? Dev. What is our table name? Order. We will select this. Now this is ready. Now if you want to preview this data, what you will do? You will select the IAM role. So we have created one IAM role already, right? In previous video, we will select that. Click on the start session. So we should be able to see the data. Let's wait it to complete. Let's wait to start the session. Then we should be able to see the data in a Amazon S3, in a dev database and the order database. Now you can see I am able to preview my data. These are the records I have. Now suppose my requirement is like I want to filter where country is India. So how actually I can do a transformation? So I will select this, click on this plus. I will select the select query transformation. You can see use a SQL query to transform our data. Select this. In here we can write any kind of the SQL query. So you can see first you have to select SQL query and this is ready. Now here if you have to write a your SQL query. So I will write a SQL query dev dot order. This is my table, right? Select star from dev dot order. And suppose I want to filter where country equal to India. So I will write select star where country equal to the India. Now let's see whether we are able to see only the India related details or not. So you can see I'm not getting, I think I is a capital, so I will select that. Select start from dev dot order where country is India. So you can see only the India related data it filter out. Similarly, you can write any kind of the query. Suppose I want to see where amount is greater than 400 and amount is greater than 400. So based on that, where amount is greater than 400, that we should see. Um, Amount, I think spelling mistake. Amount is greater than 400. Let's see that. You can see 550, 550. Like that, you can write any kind of the complex query based on your requirement and you can achieve the result. Now, once you got the result right, what actually you can do? You can add your target and wherever you want to store and you can run the pipeline. So SQL query is a very useful transformation. You can write any SQL query and you can achieve the result. I hope you got the idea.